Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best protein anabolic pancakes. This is one of the best and one of my favorite post-workout meals that I eat after hitting a workout. If you can see, I got a pump because I hit a workout just like 10 minutes ago. I arrived from the Calisthenics park. I'm going to make this amazing protein pancake recipe with you. So for this recipe, you are going to need some milk, honey, 1 or 2 bananas, eggs, and some flour. You don't need to use some special ones, just use the basic one that you can find at home, and then some unflavored whey protein. So first, to make this delicious post-workout snack, we are going to add 5 eggs to the blender. I'm not going to leave this egg alone, so I'm going to put 6 eggs in there. Okay, now when we have our eggs ready, we are going to close it up and mix it for around 30 seconds. Now when we mix that up, we are going to add a little bit of milk. Oh. I'm lucky this time. Once I was mixing it and I opened it and this rubber piece fell in. And I was like, shit, but I didn't turn it off because I thought like, oh, it is already crushed. I'm going to turn it off slowly. But then it like curled itself in there and then it went like boom, and all of these eggs were like here, on this, on the ceiling, on my face, everywhere, on my shirt. Everything was covered in eggs. But I'm lucky this time that it happened when I didn't have it turned on. I'm going to not put it on there for safety reasons. So yeah, add a little bit of milk, like this. This recipe is never the same. Sometimes I add like sour cream or maybe even whipping cream sometimes. Like this. The sour cream makes it a little bit sour. Then if you added the milk and the sour cream, we are going to add 1 or 2 bananas. It depends how much bananas like you can eat. I'm going to add 2 this time because I'm really hungry and I had a really intense front lever workout and also a pull-up workout. Now close it up and mix it. Usually this recipe takes me maybe like 5 minutes or 3 minutes to mix up because I never turn off the blender. I just add things into it, boom, 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 and it constantly mixes. But now I'm not going to have the time to tell you, like, oh, now put in the bananas, now add in honey, because because the blender makes so much noise. So now we are going to add some honey, like this. It depends on your sweetness tolerance. I add like maybe 2 teaspoons. This is maybe 2 teaspoons. Now mix it up. Now I'm going to add 1.5 scoops of protein. This is half and this is 1. Close it, mix it slowly, because now if you blast it, it's just going to spread the protein powder all over the walls of the blender and you are not going to get that much protein into the actual pancake. And now we are going to add like 3 scoops of flour. So I'm going to put 1 scoop of this flour and then 2 scoops of this flour. Like this. Sometimes if I want to add those extra calories, I add in some olive oil, but never add like seed oil. Let's say rapeseed oil or canola oil, because they are bad for your health. But olive oil is actually really good and really healthy, and it also has a lot of calories, so if you are on the bulk, You can add like a tablespoon of this in there, and also butter. But butter is in a solid form, so I don't want to add that in. So now I'm going to add around like maybe half a tablespoon of olive oil. And something that happens to me sometimes is that I overdo it with flour. I just put too much flour and now it's super solid. That's why this olive oil usually saves me. When that happens, I just add an extra egg or extra milk or some olive oil. Now we are going to leave this sit for like 5 minutes whilst you clean up after yourself. So now when we let it sit for like 5 minutes, you don't need to do that all the time. If you are in a hurry, I usually don't do that. But now we are going to set up a pan. A best for your testosterone is a cast iron pan, because on the non-stick pans, there are usually weird chemicals that you don't want to put in your body. Then olive oil, no seed oil like canola oil, and something to flip your pancakes with. Never do this with a plastic one, because plastic is estrogenic, and if you heat it up, all those chemicals from the plastic, they are not good for your testosterone, are going to get into your anabolic pancakes, and they are going to make them less anabolic. So let's get into it. We are going to put the flame on medium heat and let the pan heat up for around like a minute. And then after that minute or after those 30 seconds, you can put some olive oil. Now when the pan is heated up, you are going to swirl that oil around like this. And then, yeah, leave it on medium heat. Maybe put it a little bit lower. Just a little bit to fade. Like this. And now you can pour out the pancake mix. I can taste that the flavor is absolutely perfect from these pancakes. And in this video I also want to teach you one tip that I do when I am really in a hurry, maybe when I make these for breakfast, or maybe if you want to go to sleep early, is it how I like eat and cook the pancakes at the same time. So when I make this pancake, I'm going to show you how you do that. So whilst that is cooking, you are going to prepare like 2 bananas, a knife, maybe a second plate, and some chocolate, like dark chocolate. These are like chocolate chips, let's say, and they are 80% dark chocolate. I use those because they can easily melt on the pancake, because when you put like a brick of chocolate and you try to move it around, the entire brick gets heated up slower than the little chunks of chocolate. If you have time, you can grab something like this and put the chocolate on that way. That's really easy. But these chocolate chips save you time, and also time because you need to clean that stuff. And how do you know that the pancake is cooked? It will appear a bit darker color, and also there will be bubbles on the outside layer. And also you can check like underneath the pancake, like how does it look. This looks like I'm going to be flipping it in around like 30 seconds. But first, if you are watching this and you are one of my subscribers, I want to give you a big thank you, because we just reached 200 subscribers on our channel in like, what was it? Not maybe in 5 months, in like 4 months, which is crazy. I didn't expect that, but I really try to put in effort into these videos. I should have like, let's say 6 videos coming up, but I don't have that much time to record them because I'm really focusing now on my summer job business. So if you are a subscriber, big thanks to you. I hope that you like these types of videos. If you want, you can also like comment on my videos and like suggest a video that I should make. I'll be really glad to help you like further. Let's say that you have a problem going through like the advanced tuck front lever to the one leg front lever. You can just type it in the comments and I will review that comment and then make a video on that. So really give this a chance. Okay, now I'm going to flip the pancake. I hope that it's not burnt. Well, It's slightly toasted. It's slightly toasted, as you can see. I usually don't overcook them like this, but I went on a little bit of a rant about the 200 subscriber milestone. And also it takes way less time for this pancake to cook on the other side, because if you have this on low heat, it will also get cooked from the upper side, and then when you flip it, it's going to get cooked on the bottom side way quicker. So now let's get this out, and we are going to flip this onto the plate with the hotter side on the outside, so like this, like boom. Now we are going to quickly add some more oil onto the pan, like this. Swirl it around. Add some more pancake mix, and then let that cook. But now I'm going to show you how to do this. So we are going to add some chocolate chips onto the pancake evenly. This is a bit thicker one, so I need to add more. Okay, and now whilst that starts melting, we are going to cut the banana in half like this. We are going to split it over here, also like here. Put it on there if you don't want to waste a plate, and then just split it like this in half. And now we are going to just grab the banana and put it on the pancake. Now you can just like wrap it up and eat it casually. I don't know how much calories does this have or how much protein. I'm going to put the macros on the screen right now. I'm going to calculate it. So look at this. Wait, where is the camera? Here. I think it looks delicious. Okay, normal pancake, high protein, delicious. Also, it's way more delicious when you put like chocolate and banana on there. You can also eat these pancakes with like milk, or let's say with cottage cheese, with honey, also with some yogurt or peanut butter and jelly, or you can put on these things whatever you want. So I don't know what to say anymore about these pancakes or about my channel. So if you want more videos like this, make sure to leave a comment about something that I should cook like anabolically next. You can like if you want more cooking videos, and you can also subscribe. Bye.